Today's the 9th of August 2021. We have Lohitie at the race deck 8 here in, was it Polero?
Holsti.
Holsti. It's one of the suburbs of Jyväskylä here in Keski-Suomi, Finland. This was built in 1988. It's a bottom-driven traction elevator. It's in number 65423. Oh, let's see if it's traction. 5 floors. We expected it next year, 2022. It's only 35 years old in 2023. Let's try it. Yeah, it's traction. Amazing too.
Yeah.
I like the smell here.
Same here.
Good idea to try this as it was open the other day too.
Yeah.
I love the sounds.
No, same here.
Maybe this is early 1988.
Yeah.
Because it sounds like it. But of course you can check the information later.
Is tippakivais maintained by Kone.
Yeah, this has simple memory.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's why I also think it's early. But they almost always had simple memory to late 80s and early 1990s.
Yeah.
Or very early 90s.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Now let's go to the step 3. Oops.
That's